Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to trade Bitcoin on Phemex platform, what exactly features available on here, how to create account and how to invest your money, and what exactly features are available. I am providing you detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. After subscribe the YouTube channel, you just simply open here Google, new tab and enter Phemex. This platform application is also available Android and iOS store. You can do same process in your smartphone devices like this. Phemex crypto exchange, crypto features, trading Bitcoin, that one is quite amazing. They are providing you welcome bonus. You just simply click here in this link. I am providing link in same video description. You just click on that link and come directly on phemex.com here. So this is a platform. Some basic informations are available here, like a trading values are going the fastest crypto exchange and features trading platform, one of the best platform. The integration as a 30 million plus here, like current cryptocurrency price and other cryptocurrencies investment like this. All prices are in US dollar. Some bonus plans are available here. How to trade future content, some basic informations are available here. Trade the crypto with zero fees, no extra chargeable. You just invest your $1 and you trade using this $1 like application iOS store, Google Play Store, and some scan the barcode and download this application in your smartphone device. It's quite simple. Some basic informations are available. So now we start as a create account. Need your email address, password and create account. So I register now. So I type here my email address and my password. As a password little bit case sensitive, some capitals and some special character. So I create account. I receive one OTP in my Gmail address. So yeah, I receive one OTP 479067. OTP successfully. Deposit cryptocurrency, start the trading here. Deposit, buy cryptocurrency with credit card, buy cryptocurrency with bank transfer. Some basic informations are available here. If you want directly add like a credit card, via credit card, you just simply invest your money like via copy this email address or scan this barcode and deposit your money in this particular account. Withdrawal related informations are available. So here fund, if you have any fund, if you credit some fund, so fund related informations are displayed here. Contact trading account here, investment account. If you invest some money, so all informations are displayed here. For history related trading shares are displaying here. This is your profile related informations are displayed here. Contact numbers, contract history and all. Assets, what exactly asset you buy, deposit, withdraw and transfer. So if your wallet is some money is available, so here you can see very easily how much dollar in available on your account. On trading perspective, what exactly you are using, all detailed informations are displayed here. So that point of view, you can very easily check out this particular for spot wallet. So related spot wallet balances comes here and you are very easily like here. Suppose for example you invest some money on this Bitcoin. Now I'm not investing anything, so you deposit, withdraw, trade, earn, transfer, convert. So many actions are available here if you are investing some money in XYZ cryptocurrency, so you use those features. So here is my email address. It's very simple to log in the particular Phemex platform and invest your money, deposit your money and withdraw your money using this Phemex platform. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.